everyone, divide the hair into 5 portions as such, and with the 3 ponytails at the bottom, join them together. Then take a bun stick and with the side ponytails, roll it upwards and make a bun out of it. Roll the hair up accordingly. Next, start off by taking a division of the hair from the front. Then, make 2 braids out of it, join them at the bottom in 2 ponytails. Add a bow at the top, include this bow's ribbon into the braid. Next, start off by dividing the hair into 4 portions and then make a braid at the top, taking a small portion of the ponytail. Make a bow-like shape accordingly. Join 2 ponytails. For our next hairdo, make 2 divisions in the front, add multiple rubber bands. Take and make a division at the back, join them all together. Start off by making 2 divisions in the front and add multiple rubber bands to it as such. Make 2 braids at the back and interchange them. Make braids at the bottom, roll them upwards. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 6 portions as such. Make 2 braids at the top, make 2 braids in the middle, make 2 braids at the bottom, and then interchange them accordingly. Next, start off by taking a hair ribbon as such, and then roll the hair up accordingly. Make a bun out of it, and then tie it up. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section of the front of the hair, tie a ponytail to it, roll the ponytail in on itself, and then add a decorative ribbon to the front. Make 2 braids using the ribbon as a section, add multiple rubber bands in the middle, and then join them in a ponytail at the bottom. Make 2 braids at the top, make 2 braids at the bottom, make a bow shape at the top, and then add a hair stick through the top bow. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 4 portions. In the front and the back, add multiple rubber bands. On either side, use a bun stick and adjust the hair accordingly. Next, divide the hair in the front into 2 portions. Make 3 braids on the right side and then put them through the rubber bands on the left. Divide the front portion of the hair into 2 parts and then add multiple ponytails to it. Make a section at the back, make 2 braids out of it and make 2 ponytails. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into 6 portions. Add multiple rubber bands to each of these sections and then join them together to make a star shape. Make a braid and then roll it up into a bun. For our next hairdo, start off by taking a section off the top and then make a ponytail out of it. Roll the hair up using a bun stick and adjust the hair accordingly. Make 2 braids at the bottom. Next, make a ponytail, take a bun stick, roll the hair upwards and then make a bun out of it. Adjust the hair accordingly. Add a rubber band if need be. Add a decorative rubber band after. Next, start off by making a ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself through this. Lift the hair upwards. Repeat this step once more and then wrap it around the bun at the top. Thank you for watching.